route Accra to Dubai.
Where Accra to Dubai?
Yes, yes.
Abusia eyade aba betodwa say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama abusia amane bo ene echemu echese ye papai aye nia former president His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo na all ye no amane bo ene echemu echese His Excellency John Dramani Mahama aye bi say wa charter plane e dey free eye Oman Ghana from Ghana to eye Japan na abusia sisi amno we kase eyade sansem we ya making so a charter plane from Ghana to Japan no Honorable Vincent Eko Asefua NppMp na this ansem way e de ebeto dwana sesam no weka say yade Erica J ene yenua obi abusomo aba be kire nsem o mo nsem kan na say yade His Excellency anchata private jet bia enye private jet bi na odokoye na emom commercial flight Emirates and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama fire from Accra no numpo Japan nimpo wan straight from Accra to Dubai no sanso far bi wo Dubai or the eko baby a opese okona busa we dey ma mekasa wa ma mekasa tete pese okona kwoti nsem nimu ankasa nkyire mu na se wie na se wan adwen kyire bi abomode na akira ya adwe hada so e be media GHpage busa se ene de connect channel so media no go so be so be me no hwe videos ni bi you abomode an so subscribe be like no abo share ma for pensem ni bi atie no anya bi atie yen chew ne kokoti nsem a obi ene Eric Ajay de ebeto dwa efa eye nsem a Honorable Vincent Eko Asefua NppMp de ebeto dwa o kira His Excellency John Dramani Mahama the public person His Excellency just say or say no or the air charter jet private jet His Excellency air charter the room up and down sa enya nsem ketwa yenko ni tin nsem no mu ankasa enchemem na sisia eda wase
what I say nti ohwe asem na o kan ye no ne how he started the calculation obia making inference mampeni akwantu a to statement about calculation or ye e call Mr. me know why yonkofa I don't have any problem with you but at times it is better
but say oye hon calculation in power what's wrong with that
to say now oye akoma hwan mo nye Ghana for Inti na yini kano you see etoda to one nareka and get accurate information as a lawyer before you publish certain things. Untimi gaze yes na hearsay no and the hearsay no they post on the wall
where the accurate information is say
you see
what means
we all know the politics we all know the politics in this country sir. Under President Akufo-Addo none foreign travels are holding opinion no more rented private jets of which are a matter of contention in the country then
yes
we those in opposition then we are now in power we spoke about it until yaman yosem say and I said the yaman yosem Akroma no said the we bi no and so so manya enu bia no koy no but we go fu
we go fu because man penny and for private jet
or the commercial flight
bang
remember man penny John Dramani Mahama
yes
or the flight registration number A6-EGZ.
Okay.
Flight number EK-788.
Okay.
Operator of the flight Emirates
Airlines.
Very good.
Okay.
Captain no your friend Joel Jordan. Captain of the flight. Route Accra to Dubai.
Where Accra to Dubai?
Yes. Okay. Yes. Passengers no a hono so 06 and a show and a date of departure was Sunday 17th of August 2025
so otu enyumre
yes time of movie from the launch was 1743 hours
1743 hours
yes and a boarding time was
5:43
boarding was 1752 hours and airborne 18
into that
16 hours
6:16
yes Obi I have every information here or the commercial flights in the coin
that's from Accra to
Dubai
now I transit
yes
with another commercial flight
and no na ye pese ye hunu no
yes
person who dey
ye pese ye hunu so
you see Obi you see
Japan no
you see
flight be no dey call ye
Obi
because you say about Singapore it's their responsibility to provide us with the details
American
Obanyi Mahama na Japan ho che ba bia woni say high service
o say mampani bia betina konwa so na se wotu kwanya because oye man na japade no like the presidential flight report is there ukwa se said na aba money abra munhu de amuye opposition ye nim say ya de but mukasa no kasa hunu ne ya do so enkofo mo ni mampani efo Emirates eko Dubai ebi mo ate se mo say of our private jets. And you know, these characters are more serious or my more dintrona. At least you should be a bit academic in line.
To be fair, so on the final destination, and you do. And
yes, and I'm say there be.
But do you have details?
I get it. Me say the President Mahama that I know.
Yes.
President Mahama minimum. Ebi a minimum ni chen wuntia. Intina mintimin kasa de minimum fa. Emra ye wumi. The state of our country today.
Oh, free Dubai.
Masa ubenya omre unya opa now the cat crash yeah ni pro nti dem pese me ma menu okay mampeni efi kro of our Emirates commercial flights
okay
and odi ko see Dubai obesan so ayeden atoaso akodi aka no and this wona wo se wo start se wo check no no
wona fabra
wo check no kura no baby wo start yakwa kosi kura problem ama wo di nam Germany ne de akeka ho a na abeka je zo nkofa de camera bring it enough of the lies obi amahu se na nkofo truly ekọ social media me o madam funti na me yakakra because o kasa na wan kasa ye ni nya wa fidintin tan no so a ya na je no eden because
e be so afa ho di lawyer for atem ka
mahu fa me hu sa comments ni na but ntina me kasa eto da ntuma bi frawa nya adwabo bia na okwase ekodi asawo ana meboa obi ye ketedie ye diketa na ye de ntuma si asene na wo shekaba na slate na chiti a unum se pressure baba also nti e ko yesro mampani
very good nation so say the information that were provided as much as I very good to shape the conversation limited in a way.
Why?
So it then opens up more rumors because you see you saw mampani destination Japan. Now you showed evidence of he flying Emirates from Accra to Dubai. What happens from Dubai to
mampani now see we see Dubai was all bekache obi say we see Dubai
say in the interest of accountability
o man emrani trese mampani born na yanko bia on crown meboa yes it is a mampani so okomi krom suma henkro no twa VIP no sikumase a wo say okra say obesi kumase no free kumase obefa sunya ne bus no free sunya na wafa sampa bus. Is that what you're asking me?
But why are you providing the
I am providing this because of the normal social media. As you say, or charter flights in from here to Germany, from there to there. I know I'm me provide we. One for Germany impo. What am I say? And now more for Emirates. Omani mampeni fo ye. Meaning say omobusu yamfo okuma be muti. Obi make my dikin yaka mampeni Mahama. Excuse me. On my appointment, only a share about 3 times. The chief executives and ministers. Only a share bia how to live a modest life. I did the biadana no. Na any say on make the conclusion statement biana the Ninesiano. No, I can't just say we should remember where we are coming from. Okay. The challenges of mine no come. Obi otimase.
Okay.
Enti mesremo. Yes, mampeni second coming we na wabano. Obeja legacy a yebetimi atwero man kwada enya so mfaso na odi eja oman o metam oman ni sika e ma ye nya ne basa. So I am telling them they can track how he travels and other stuff.
Okay.
But when him say oh ba now I prepare well now the accurate information now they are back. But you can't just be on social media and peddling falsehood say Ghana for beja because me unze na akoye banter between on me penny stand dogwe. What I say? Son is a deputy chief of staff. I'm say travel no crock can be team near choir. Okay. So certain things enye fe. Inti echo do the honorable 10. So many or no and come a fully render on qualify apology. Because you see, there's no way because it's 11 na do ntimi nka senya president mama asem na na wo ka. There be ntimi nka kora biem. Ene eba ne sa na Ghana fo hu ne sa onye obi na kwafo a ugina ho ma utafo. who could not chamber now so cause almost SMS in a can who do can be an okra and fatal Mr. Anna Collins. I understand the politics of private jet in this country. Yes, we started it, we did it. Time on also near started side debate, no, ya chacha we see, ya we see, be anyone near the banner multi debunk to say the Macophobia by me debunk the Okam. Because I'm no. Not the air cost or Nagana for complaining, no. Ye can be. Adia ye can be, and the president Mahama no be the be American, the president Mahama no. Adia de bonko fu yechi on ye be. Men America show. On for private. Me say on chatter private jet, and then coordinating jata de no crabeko. Yes. Yes, you know, Collins.
Okay,
very well.
Financial for attracting investment about.
Okay.
Which people is he going with? Is he going with his Minister of Trade?
Okay.
Are you aware? Which flight did they go with?
Okay.
Did they go with the same flight that the president went with? Or the chartered flight that we saw leaving here? Okay. Let us analyze these issues very well.
Is it the norm? Is it the norm, say, or qua or better flight to cry or they call?
That has been the norm.
Okay.
Because often and can man the opposite and can daily graphic and the better with the picture of Magana now by when he's entering the plane.
Okay.
But we are not saying that. It has been shrouded in secrecy. And you find government officials even talking about it, still failing to let us know that Omanpenin at the idea when the two can answer flights when the two coin. Now, how free of free we don't know anything like that.
Okay. So I'm wondering why you are also not able to come clear, say, why they now post you know, and no one sem na oka. So that and can come on any better because when we infer we see no who they watch or what then when we bimusu you are no say one year calculation so I will see no so now we are not even able to take a statement say oh maybe you have some evidence.
Go and check the calculations that are made on the platform, on the Facebook platform.
Okay.
Go and check the calculation very well.
I've read it to you.
The flight is free. A year Accra. That's it. That jet no. It costs $15,000 per hour. Let's say free Hako Germany 7 hours. 15,000 times 7 is 105,000. What is wrong with this one?
Did the flight leave at 7 a.m.?
The flight left around 7:13 a.m.
Now almost say when leave 7 a.m. no because say no calculation per hour then said you be between 7 and 10 no as a 3 hours be about whatever calculation you might have done because almost say as at 10 no not or sorry them.
Yes, I may say I am matured enough to say what I want to say.
Okay.
I am telling you that the delegation which flight did they use?
Okay.
Or no say or delegation which flight did they use?
Okay. So now you are asking which flight to use here, and not just this calculation of the MMDAEP flight.
Yes. So now, number one, more allegation say the calculation I made was wrong. It's not the case because every calculation that I've made there is sound because multiply 7 by $15,000 and it will give $105,000. Or multiply 12 hours by $180,000. That is the continuation of the flight from Germany to Japan. It will give you $180,000.
But that's why I keep asking you, say, or may prompt or say, almost way into 7. And so you can't use that. Oh, you to 7 a.m. Then it means that some 3 hours be everybody come home of the costa enter.
What time did they leave? Why are we not knowing the delegation? Why are they hiding those things from us?
Okay.
Because they will be that. So I'm paying you to come also for the investment about.
Okay.
One Kasa would the in 2013. And President Akufo-Addo Domo will show statements in now will show the ministers or the people say GHpage here. You will see you figure the leadership or pay investment there. Why is it that this one is hidden? Why is it that they don't want us to know? People are not more anytime we know to free hand.
Okay.
And when we ask those questions, those with the information that is the government officials will resort to insult without necessarily responding to what we are raising. If I make a choice, say, go for me, I need the home in the metro, and I'm seeking answers. I'm seeking.
But I don't think I want for these questions, anchor whatever you posted. Say who and who are the president going with? Where are they? But you started by the time the flight took off. any calculations now and ama this your important and substantive question you are asking now is missing.
It's a matter of style. You can use if conditional statements to ask questions, to ask the world, to even say things that obey demanding answers from people. So I have not made those statements conclusively. But all that I'm also asking from the government is that they should be transparent enough. These are the standards they themselves set when they were in government. Okay. Now, are they telling us that because of national security, just few months ago.
So now what is your worry? Worry the cost to the state and the security and the people the president went with.
One, the cost to the state is my worry.
Okay.
Two, the people that we traveled with are my worry.
Okay.
And three, the lack of transparency that is surrounding this whole issue as far as the president's travel is concerned. It's also my worry, because why should it be the case? Remember, taxpayers' money in the all the delegation of Mokoninano, or Mojipedian, the presidential gets they call, yeah. How much is it costing the state? Why are they quiet about it? And today, man, for and free assembly and can't say, not president, or shall saw them. President shall saw them. What about the delegation? What time did they leave? Did they all go with the commercial flight? Let us know.